Got the 68 Corvette Roadster all finished. Came out very nice. Got the hard top on it here. Red with the tan interior. I always like that combination. One of my favorites. Just a second, I'll let you see what it looks like with the convertible top. I did shading with the fawn on the top, on where the ridges would be, and then I did a lighter camel color over the top of the convertible roof, just to give it a little bit of fading and a little bit of weathered look. Molotow chrome on the bar on the top there where it folds. It all came together very well. And I really like that. It's not a new car, it's a few years old. It's seen a little bit of dust and dirt. It's a nice kit, it fits together quite well. And take the top off. Having a convertible, it's you can see inside, you try and put a little bit more detail painting in there. So I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Again, you've seen the underneath. Not much weathering on there. Could dirty it up a little bit more, but I thought I'd just leave this one as is. So that's it for this build. This will go in a case on the shelf. And that's another one complete.